Your photography portfolio is your visual resume, your personal brand, and the key to attracting clients and opportunities. Whether you're a professional or an aspiring photographer, a well-curated portfolio can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll walk you through essential tips and strategies to create the perfect portfolio. Before you start compiling your portfolio, define your niche. Are you a wedding photographer, a commercial shooter, or a wildlife enthusiast? Choosing a specialty helps you tailor your portfolio to attract the right audience. If you have multiple interests, consider separate portfolios for different niches. Quality over quantity. Choose 15 to 20 of your strongest images. Each photograph should showcase your skills, creativity, and unique perspective. Remove any weak or repetitive shots. Your portfolio is only as strong as your weakest image. Your portfolio should tell a story. Arrange your images in a way that guides the viewer smoothly from one to the next. Pay attention to composition, color balance, and the emotional impact of each transition. In today's digital world, an online portfolio is essential. Platforms like Adobe Portfolio, Squarespace, and Format make it easy to create a professional gallery. However, don't underestimate the power of a printed portfolio. Clients and agencies still appreciate high-quality prints. Choose a professional print service and use high-quality paper to make a lasting impression. Pairing your images with compelling descriptions can enhance their impact. Provide context, what inspired the shot, the techniques used, and any interesting backstories. Additionally, craft a strong About Me page that highlights your experience, style, and passion for photography. A great portfolio is never static. Update it regularly with your latest and best work. Seek constructive feedback from peers, mentors, or professionals in the industry. Sometimes a fresh perspective can help you refine your selection. Your portfolio is only effective if people see it. Share it on social media, submit it to photography contests, and send it to potential clients. A well-presented portfolio can open doors to exciting opportunities. A photography portfolio is more than just a collection of images. It's a reflection of your artistic journey. Put thought and effort into curating it, and it will serve as a powerful tool to showcase your talent. Now, go out and capture the world.